thing for the glue. I don't see that it sell anymore, so I just switch my covers when I buy new glue, and it works, like I said, for the big bottle too. Will fit right on there. So that's what I do. So there's our cover right now. I might do some lace or something along there. I don't know yet. We'll see. So we'll put that over here, and we'll do our next page. I think we'll go for this busy pattern. I'll glue that down. There we go. So it was Groundhog's Day yesterday, I think. Was it Groundhog's Day? So I think it was, and I don't know if he saw his shadow or not. My boyfriend was telling me that it was, and it's like, what? I didn't even know. So, are we in store for more winter, or are we going to have spring sooner? I don't know. Either way, we have no choice, right? We have to... I should have done some different colors, but for the tutorial, I guess we'll just use what I got here. Well, no, I want to do some of this paper. Whoops, I need my big one. Sorry, guys. There's 2.5 right there, I think. 2.5. By 3.25. Oh, that was smart. I cut the edge off my thing. Oh well. I'll set that up there. Alright, we gotta ink you. There we go. Little polka dots. There's that side. And we'll use another glossy paper, glossy or foiled paper. Okay, 2 more to go, guys. Sorry if this part's boring. Did I? Yes, I did. I used... Try not to get too many of the same patterns together. I think I might want to do something a little different. I was thinking maybe, but maybe I won't. I don't know. Maybe put a couple sheets of just coffee stain paper in between, you know, in between the, in here. Size it down, put it down, cut it down to size, and put a couple sheets in between for just for extra journaling. Because, you know, we get so excited about decorating, and sometimes, well, I do, and sometimes I forget to leave journaling space. So maybe that could be a way to do it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright, we're not putting those too close again, are we? No? Alright. If you guys heard that, that was my boyfriend blowing his nose. He's very loud. He sounds like an elephant. Oh, darn it. Yep, big old elephant. Oops, I'm gonna knock my tripod over again. Make sure we don't do that. Alrighty. I think I'm still filming. I hope I'm still filming. Yes, I am. Record. It says record, and the battery's power's going down, so we'll see, I guess, what happens. Alright, so we got the papers all on. This is what she looks like. There's the cover. We'll decorate that too, though. And so there's our pages. So far, until we put embellishments on them and decorate them up. And I don't know if I want to do that with the paper. I think I'm gonna put a couple sheets in between. Probably just trace some coffee stain paper, and I have some beautiful cabbage stain paper. Oh, it come out so pretty this time. Let me see if I can find a sheet and I'll show you. A couple sheets of it. Isn't that gorgeous? It just come out so pretty. The blues and the purples. They come out so beautiful. I'm just in awe over it. And of course the lines from my oven, but yeah. The only thing bad about doing the cabbage dye is the smell. The smell that stays on your paper. But I just sometimes take some Febreze and spray the paper a little bit. Sometimes I leave it. All depends, I guess, on how I'm feeling that day. But I have some coffee stain paper here. I decided I'm going to put in a couple sheets in between the paper, I can't say it, toilet paper roll journal. Jeepers. And all I'm going to do is trace this out instead of measuring it. I'm just going to trace it out and cut them out. So we're not going to do a lot, just a couple. Just a couple. It's just going to be a small one for video purposes. Let's see. Or you know what we can do? We can fold this and just do a couple layers at a time. I'm one for shortcuts. I like the shortcuts. Look at that. There, and then we can just cut out our outline. Am I in frame? No, sorry. I'm just trying to get in close so I can see, but I have a tripod leg right in front of me. So there's 1, 2, 3, whoops, I didn't get that one cut apart completely. There's 4 sheets right there, and there's 4 sheets over here, so that'll be plenty. 1 sheet of paper gave us 4 sheets. Here we go. Alright. So there, I think I'm gonna like that idea. Something different you can journal on. Or I'm sure somebody's already done it, but make sure they're the right size. Maybe they can be cut down a little bit more, but that's alright. Alright, so let's mark where our holes are going to go. I don't know if I can do that many papers or not. I'll try. Oh, yeah, no big deal. That went through that like butter. And we'll do these 2. There. So I don't know if I'm going to use all of those sheets, but we will use most of them. And I don't know if I want to put on some paper on them, or just do like maybe 3 sides and leave it for like a pocket. Maybe that's what we'll do with the leftover papers we have. We have a couple of leftover. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Maybe we'll use a hole punch if I can find it. Here's my hole punch. Where are you? There it is. We'll use my hole punch and do a little thingy-mabobber right here. And that way we know that's a pocket. There we go. We'll do this one. because I cut the corner off it. We'll make a tag out of that piece. There. So there's the... Alright. So we're going to make a pocket out of that. Whoops, shifted a little bit because I put a little bit too much glue on, but that's alright. We gotta ink this.